Still scraping leads by hand or wasting hours jumping between tools? In this video, I'm breaking down PhantomBuster, probably the most hyped lead generation and automation tool in the game right now. We'll see if it actually lives up to the hype, how it stacks up for LinkedIn outreach, and whether it's worth your cash in 2025. If you ever Googled how to automate LinkedIn outreach or lead generation software, you've seen PhantomBuster everywhere. But is it just another Chrome extension with a fancy website? Or is it a true weapon for outbound? Let's see. First, what is PhantomBuster? Think of it as a toolkit for scraping data, automating outreach, and running your sales prospecting on autopilot. They call their mini apps Phantoms, and there are literally dozens for LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, Google, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. So if your workflow involves scraping contacts, enriching them with emails, or blasting automated DMs, you'll find a Phantom for basically every use case. Now let's talk features, because this is where PhantomBuster kind of flexes on the competition. You get data scraping, grab leads from almost any website, including LinkedIn group members, event attendees, Google Maps, even Facebook, export it all to a spreadsheet. You have contact enrichment, turn scraped profiles into actual contact lists with verified emails and phone numbers. You have automated LinkedIn outreach, auto connect, auto message, drip campaigns and follow-ups, all personalized. Campaign monitoring. See campaign results, responses, and performance in real time right in the dashboard. But here's what actually matters. Does PhantomBuster work and is it safe? PhantomBuster runs your automations in the cloud, so you don't have to keep your laptop on. It's pretty hidden, but if you go full gorilla mode and spam thousands of messages, you're still going to get flagged. You have to obey social media limitations, but PhantomBuster is serious about responsible data scraping, staying within platform limits, and not burning your LinkedIn accounts. So use it smart and don't be a clown. If you follow PhantomBuster's suggestions, your accounts have close to zero risk of getting flagged. But how easy is PhantomBuster to use? Honestly, the setup is easy for basic tasks. There's a library of pre-made automations, but if you want to build custom workflows or chain multiple Phantoms, there's a bit of a learning curve. You'll spend some time watching tutorials or reading docs. Still, the UI is way cleaner than most of the old school scraping tools. So what will you pay for this bad boy? Here's a quick breakdown. You have a trial plan. 2-hour execution time, 5 slots, 50 emails a month. For starter, $56 a month. 20 hours of execution time, 5 slots, and 500 emails a month. $128 per month for 80 hours, 15 slots, and 2,500 emails a month. And team plan for $352 a month, 300 hours of execution time, 50 slots, 10,000 emails a month. All plans come with unlimited exports, community access, and most features unlocked. You pay for more execution time and email credits. If you just need a quick scrape, free plan is enough. But for real outreach, you'll need a pro or higher plan, especially if you're sending bulk emails. So is PhantomBuster the right tool for you? If you're a sales rep, agency founder, or anyone trying to do B2B lead gen at scale, this tool will 10x your workflow. But it's not just for LinkedIn. There are automations for Google Maps, Twitter, Instagram, even custom API calls. If you want one tool to rule them all, this is as close as it gets. With that said, if you're doing any tiny prospecting or you're terrified of scraping, there are simpler and cheaper options. If you want to eliminate the scraping by itself, just go to AI lead generation tools like Salesforge, input the leads you want to scrape, and you'll have a lead list ready. Combine that with Salesforge, and you're already sending relevant, hyper-personalized cold emails. More about that in this video. Peace!